Some people love this sound. Some people hate it. When we adjust the spine, sometimes you're going to hear that sound, sometimes you're not going to hear that sound. In our office, what's most important is that you're comfortable. If you don't love that sound, I use a treatment that's called torque release treatment, where I use an instrument just like this over here. The way this instrument works, when I adjust the spine, it's a simple little tap like that. You can see how gentle, how soft that adjustment is. There's no cracking, there's no popping. This adjustment is called a torque release adjustment, and it targets the central nervous system. The reason why we do this adjustment is to take pressure off your spinal cord to get your system out of fight or flight, so your body's not always stuck like this. We want to get you into the parasympathetic state, or what we call the rest and digest state. And when your body's in the sympathetic state, your body will start to heal on its own. Whether you like that sound or you don't like that sound, we have the treatment for you. So if you want to give us a call, ask for me. I'm Dr. Aurora at Aurora Family Chiropractic.